Hello viewers and welcome to another edition of Tech Tips. This is Byron and I have a question to start this one off. What do you do when you receive a Revit project and you do not know which version of Revit it was created in? So like many of us, you may haphazardly open up a random version of Revit and see if you can open the file, and there's going to be one of three things that happens when you do that. In this case, I have a Revit 2015 file. If I try to open it in a Revit 2014 version, I will get this error here. So it was saved in a later version of Revit, cannot be retrieved in this version. If I happen to try opening it in a later version of Revit, it's going to start upgrading the entire project. So if I don't want to change anything, I've got to try to find that exact version of Revit that was used to create that file and open it using that version of Revit. It takes time. We're launching a whole bunch of instances of Revit in the hopes of finding out which of them produces the desired effect on opening this project. And I'd say there's an easier way to do this. If we go to our saved path for our Revit file, we can simply right click on it. I made a copy of it right here and open it with WordPad or any other text editor that you might have, and we'll see a whole bunch of characters, some interesting characters come up. But if we scroll down just a little bit, not too far, we're going to see one big block of text that has some serial number information on it, and right here is the version of Revit that was used to create that project. So right there, Autodesk Revit Structure 2015 and the build. So it's quite easy, and like you can see here, it's not far into the file. Not far at all. So that's the very top right here. And there's our Revit version. And that's Tech Tips. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, this is Byron. Bye now.